Whenever I meet students in class 11th or 12th, I hear the same question. I want to prepare for IP Mat, but I'm in school. My school gets over at 3. I have coaching, I have tuition, I have boards. When do I even prepare for IP Mat? और इन सब doubts की वजह से ज़्यादातर students they don't even start at all. And if you are also one of them, saying I'll begin after boards, I'll begin in class 12th, I'll start next month, well, that's exactly what is keeping you behind. And today, let's solve this once and for all. If you are starting from absolute zero while managing school, here's exactly what you should do. जो सबसे बड़ी mistake है is assuming IP Mat is just another school exam. It's not. School teaches you concepts. IP Mat test how quickly you can apply them. School maths and IP Mat maths are related, but they are not the same. Understand this. Similarly, English in school focuses on grammar, literature. IP Mat also focuses on that, but also vocabulary comes in play too. With that, comprehension, critical reasoning, and speed. So don't expect that school preparation alone will get you into an IIM. You'll have to prepare separately. The good news, you don't need to study 8 hours every day. You simply need consistency. सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये है तुम्हें लगता है स्कूल डिसएडवांटेज है. Trust me, it is your biggest advantage because school gives you something droppers, repeaters, they don't have. A routine. Every single day you are already studying, you're already sitting with books, you're already solving maths, you're already reading English. Instead of creating an entirely new schedule, simply attach IP Mat preparation to your existing routine. Well, that's much easier than trying to build discipline from scratch after school ends. अब इसको थोड़ा प्रैक्टिकली समझ लेते हैं. Let's say your school finishes by 3 or maximum by 4. You reach home, you relax, you have lunch or even a small nap. Then you have to dedicate around 2 focused hours to IP Mat. No scrolling, not pretending to study, actual focused preparation. Split those 2 hours smartly. 1 hour quant, 1 hour VA या 45 minutes VA और remaining जो 15 to 20 minutes है, you can go towards logical reasoning, mental ability, current affairs और revision. ये enough है for weekdays. Now comes the most important part, weekends. Saturday, mark it, should be your revision day. Whatever you learned during the week, revise it. Sunday should be your testing day. Maybe attempting a sectional test or a topic test if you are in the initial phase or a mock later on. Then spend time analyzing your mistakes. Very few analyze them. So improvement actually happen. Analysis में ही होती है. Take note of this too. एक और ऐसी मिस्टेक है जो हर स्टूडेंट करता है which is trying to complete the syllabus as quickly as possible. That should not be your goal. Your goal is mastery, accuracy. If number system takes you 10 days, that's perfectly fine. If percentages take another week, that is also fine. जो स्टूडेंट कंसेप्ट को डीपली समझ लेता है विल ऑलवेज आउट परफॉर्म द स्टूडेंट हु हैज मेयरली कंप्लीटेड द सिलेबस. देखो, प्रोग्रेस IP Mat में चैप्टर्स कंप्लीटेड से नहीं मेजर होगी. इनफैक्ट कहीं किसी एग्जाम में नहीं होगी. इट इज मेजर्ड बाय एक्यूरेसी, स्पीड एंड कॉन्फिडेंस. तो अगर तुम स्कूल में हो, डू नॉट थिंक as if you are behind. You are actually starting at the perfect time. You have enough months to build concepts, enough time to make mistakes and to improve them. The only thing you shouldn't do is wait, because preparation doesn't become easier after school. It simply becomes difficult. Start with 2 focused hours, stay consistent, trust the process, and by the time everyone else starts panicking after boards, you'll already be months ahead in your IP Mat journey.